Hi, I'll be cooking Aloo Ka Rajai Salan. It's a rich, exotic and royal dish. To start with, I'll heat a little bit of ghee. In fact, lots of ghee because it's rich and royal. To the ghee, I'll be adding crushed dalchini and crushed tez patta. To this, I'll be adding some sliced onions. Ghee gives a very royal and rich flavor to the dish, and that's what makes it Rajai. We have to saute the onions till they are transparent. The onions are sauteed, they have become transparent. Now I just put off the flame and take out the onions. After I remove the onions from this, I'll be making a paste with this onion. And this ghee, I'll be straining it either in a muslin cloth or a sieve because I'll be using the same ghee again since it has all the flavors already inside it. So let's grind the onions. The onions are done, so I'll just set them aside. I have strained the ghee that I had used to fry onions. Now in the same ghee, I'll be adding some turmeric. To this turmeric infused ghee, I'll be adding the potatoes. These potatoes are just peeled and slit into half. Before adding, we just have to prick it with a fork so that the masala gets in properly. There, all are pricked. So I just add in these potatoes to the ghee. We have to fry the potatoes till they are about half done. Though this dish has a lot of elaborate steps, but I love to make it when I have guests coming over because they just go crazy over it. As you can see, the potatoes are almost getting done. A little skin is forming on the outside. The potatoes seem to be done, so now I'll be taking them out. Now to the same ghee, I'll be adding some spices. To start with, some MTR coriander powder, MTR red chili powder, salt, crushed black pepper, long powder, cardamom powder. Mix the masala well with the ghee. If it gets stuck, add a little water to this masala. Add the potatoes. Some beaten curd. And to this, I'll add the onion paste. Mix it well and put it on low flame. Cover it and cook it. If you want, you can even cook it in dum. If you're cooking it in a patila, you can seal the lids of the patila with some atta. Do not add water because it's not needed. The ghee and curd will cook the potatoes well. Wow, it's smelling amazing. All the flavors are coming and the aloos are done. So, time to serve. It's a very rich dish with a lot of ghee, but that's what gives it a real flavor. So don't think that, oh God, it's unhealthy or anything like that. Because if you don't eat it, you'll be missing something. Just a little garnish of coriander. So here, the royal rich Aloo Ka Rajai Salan is ready to serve.